What is up, y'all? It's Saturday. Y'all can't really see me. We're gonna get a cold start. It's been a few days. See how it sounds. Let's go get some tires. It's funny though. I've seen Vice Grip Garage tow things with tires way worse than this. But these are completely dry rotted. These are like 20-year-old tires. I kid you not. So, this is about that time, guys. And it looked even worse when they were on the truck. So, Eminem. You go to places you normally go to, because there's my normal time, which I have to go to anyway, because for over an hour, just for them to tell me they only had one of the tires that they said they would have for me 2 days ago. All right, so we still got a little bit of poppy, so we know it's either a vacuum leak or it's probably because of the exhaust flange manifold gaskets. Yeah, I tore that one up. So what? You guys know what I'm talking about. Smells a lot cleaner. There we go. And we got leakage. From where? From the hose. It's always a hose. That was the biggest one I brought out. I got bored. I made something. It don't look pretty, but it's gonna work. Gonna use these last two lights that we have here already wired up and everything. I made this bracket, so these are gonna sit in there like that, and then this bracket sits on top of there like such and holds them in. Now I just gotta find my lens cap. Yeah, a little bit of fabrication work today. Woke up on good side of the bed. So yeah, tired of not having interior lights, and I got the cargo light to work. It does work, so there's that too. Maybe next, overhead lights. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Almost looks factory. Almost. Once I put a lens over it, it'll look great. Yep. Got it all figured. Connected, disconnected, play with a few things. Disconnected the cargo lamp. Gonna hook that back up soon, but just trying to figure out circuits and power and getting it to where and all that good stuff. So, almost through it though. Almost through it. Video doesn't do it justice, guys. Yeah, that's pretty bright. Next is the cargo lamp rewiring. Yeah, that's it up pretty good, you guys.